Pact is a 90-minute presentation. It's brand new this year. It is our way to make sure that we give one message to our incoming students. Talk to them about what it means to be a member of the Cal Bear community, teach them about our values, but specifically to talk about issues of sexual assault, sexual harassment, mental health, and alcohol. Those are the three issues that are the most prevalent across our Cal Bear community. We are a community for each other. We look out for one another, we take care of each other, and it's not just about ourselves. If you look around, it's probably a lot more people than you think, so let's address it as a community. Let's work together to make sure we're all better.
We want to make sure you are prepared with the information and the guidance and the resources involved in making your Cal experience one that is safe and that is enjoyable for you and your experience here.
There's lots of ways to express yes. My favorite is yes.
Trust your intuition and decide to act.
So if you're a student in the incoming class who doesn't drink or use alcohol and doesn't use marijuana, you're the majority. You're not the minority.
Most people always tell you to put your phones away. I'm going to ask you to bring your phones out. Which common student stressor can you imagine is going to impact you the most? It looks like academic performance for this group is the big one, but you can see that you have companions in all of them.
It definitely helped me because I feel like they told you a lot of resources that I didn't know about. So I feel like before this presentation, I wouldn't really know who to talk to or who to seek. But after, I feel like I have an idea, and they gave us the websites and like where to go or who to talk to when you do need help or when like instances do occur.
The part that stood out to me the most was where the guy gave his own example about how he stayed up partying too late one night and he had to study for it, so he ended up missing his midterm and he had to retake the class all over again.
It made me realize what goes on in college, and like you kind of hear these things and you hear them or you see them in movies, but for them to actually happen was kind of a reality check, and I was like, okay, I need to make sure that I'm always safe and don't put myself in those kinds of situations. So their story stood out to me.
Pact made me feel very good because I know that there's a whole family and community around me that will be there to help me, even if they don't know me. So I'm happy that I have these kind of people around me.